At least one taxi association is condemning the violent attack of a taxi operator on another in Mandeville, Manchester earlier this week. The victim is reportedly in the hospital in serious condition, while the perpetrator is in jail. More in this report.
The Silver Streak Taxi Association in Mandeville, Manchester is calling for the revocation of the public passenger vehicle license of the taxi operator who was seen on video beating another man. President Sandra Bygrave Bradford says she saw the chilling video and was terrified.
We are saying that this operator should never be allowed to drive another public passenger vehicle, and whatever it takes, if it's transport authority to expel him or whatever, we are strongly behind them.
The incident happened right here along Caledonia Avenue in Mandeville. The video showed one taxi operator striking a man with a piece of wood in broad daylight and in full view of others. The taxi operator then got into his vehicle and attempted to drive over the man who was still on the ground. Reports are that the two taxi operators who plied the Mandeville to Spurtree route were on the taxi stand when an argument developed over a passenger. The 56-year-old victim is in serious but stable condition in hospital. The suspect is now in police custody and is facing a charge of attempted murder.
As an association, we strongly condemn the actions of that operator. We want the traveling public to know that we do not condone such actions. We believe in discipline. We have very hard-working operators out there that take this not as a hustle, but as a business. Persons that have invested millions of dollars in the sector. I would like to get rid of those rogue operators out there because they're the one that is giving the trouble.
News of the assault caused public outrage, but the Silver Streak Taxi Association president says the behavior is not reflective of taxi operators in general. She explains that the incident has reinforced the need for discipline within the sector.